What's the deal? What's the deal, everybody? What's the deal, everybody? Hey. Who's excited? Who's June 1st excited? Who's June 2nd type of excited? Damn. Right back at it. It's going to be a great day. It's going to be a great evening. Hey. A full house over here on Zoom. Where the fuck all these come from? Hey, shout out to me for 12k subs. Shout out to you guys for getting me to 12k subs. We're almost at 100k. On our way to 100k. W, everybody. Ooh. Yeah. Filling up. So, the dailies left a nice wick for us to fill, right at resistance, huh? I mean, we're still going to be bullish. We're going to look to fill this wick, but we are at resistance, so as we say, when we're at resistance, we might range for the evening. Let's see. 4 hours closed bear. I think this current 4 hour, we have 45 minutes in it roughly. 47. Hasn't flipped bullish yet. It flipped, but not really. So this is going to be key how this hourly closes because we're stuck in a range. Right, you have an hourly range here. So we can adjust this. This isn't bad. Look for some buys above this area. I really would not mind actually having buys above this area. And we can look for some more buys above this area here. Right. So our range, we can have buys above 1978.475. We're in range 2 right now. Anything below this area, I wouldn't mind looking for sells. So let's see how it plays out over here. Anything above this area is a buy back into range 1. So let's mark that off. Buys above. Mark this off. More buys above this area. So we're going to have buys above 1978.475 and most likely with a pullback and off the rip at 1980.793. Now, as for sells, get rid of this. As far as sells are concerned, we gotta close below here, below 1976. See, that's a really good area. Every time we also, excuse me. What up, Jay? Good. Welcome to the clubhouse, Jay. So every time we close below this area, closure, respect, we drive, close, respected, drop down, respected, close below, drove down, just drove straight through, came down, it ranged here, but once it came down, it drove straight through. So if we are to come down here, we're going to look for a closure below this area. Oops, sorry. For a closure below this area. And then a pullback somewhere to here. Alright, this is what you want the higher time frames to look like. Because every time you drive down, that's where you grab liquidity. Across the board here. So that's where we want to tap into before taking positions in this area. Alright, that's our range 2 breakouts here. Very simple. Nothing easy about this shit, but quite simple to understand. Alright, that's our breakdown.
Remember it, write it down, take a picture, I don't give a fuck.
Let's clear that up. Let's get back to present day, present times. Alright, what's up, gang? How's everybody doing? You see, this is why people have so many fucking questions, because I do a breakdown and there's not even 300 people in here. And then we're gonna have 600-700 people in here eventually. And then everybody and their mother's like, well, if you ain't gonna call on me, I'm just gonna blurt shit out. RR. Yeah. Arg. W for consistency this week. Every week. What motherfucking deal? I got your breakdown. I got your breakdown right here, eh? Bensahurst. They hooping right now? Nah, they fucking, I don't know, playing Barbie right now or something. How old are you, Wixo? You didn't tell me. I don't remember having a conversation where you asked me, and I was like, nah. $37. Alright. By the time you guys are watching this, I already took a W. And I specifically recorded this for everybody to watch beforehand. so we can have a W on stream. Shout out to my Tizo Dinero when he shows up and asks the question if this is real. This answer is going to fit perfectly. How old that pineapple you got in your room though? I don't have a pineapple in my room. There was a brand new pineapple that was right here. And then it was there for a couple of days till it got really fresh and like ripe. And then we ate the fuck out of it. I karate chopped it right off of here. I said, karate chop! And then we ate that. Yo. You're gay? In the house? In the house. Yo, can we get 420 viewers? Actually, fuck that. I'm not gonna fucking sit here and depend on you guys. You know what? Like, you want to get shit done? Do it yourself. So, I'm gonna celebrate 420 without you. You guys are very, very unreliable. Very, what is it called? Fuck. The words out of slipped my mind. Punctual. Yeah, you guys are not punctual. Why do I start at 8 and you guys feel like you can be here at 9? 9:30. Like, everyone's gonna get a 0 at the end of the semester. You guys know it, right? I'm failing everybody. Everybody get in detention. Why am I here for the grade then if you just gonna fail everybody? What the fuck? You know why? Cause know what I mean? One, you started the stream at 7:47, didn't come till age 17. Give me a break. Y'all some detectives over here. You should go to fucking police academy. Detective J so trendy. How you gonna dig up the past so quick? I didn't know my timesheet was public. It's crazy. Let's go Heat, right? Oh, the game ain't start yet. 12 minutes. 12 minutes, Slim Shady, you're on. Boy was here since Don was born. You know what? I've been trying to get in contact with Don for about half an hour. No, I'm sorry. For about an hour and a half, and he has not responded. AWIX, US Central C Mans just dropped the banger with, yeah. He's been like touring the US and shit. Ooh, we have some Uzbeks in the house. Make me some rice pilaf. That's what I want. I want some rice pilaf and I want I want Monte. If you can make that, we chillin'. Tell Don to get mouse. I ain't telling Don nothing. I can barely get in contact with him right now. You want me to tell him? Strawberry watermelon vape. No, strawberry mango. Wix, can you recommend a platform to trade gold? Soon. Soon. That big ass TV in your hand? This? No, this is a weapon. It just happens to have a screen attached to it. And an antenna inside. And access to the Googles. Word. Did you take any trade after New York stream? No. I looked into the candlestick Bible after Wix talked about it, and wow. Did I tell you you're gonna feel like you're a fucking Superman after it? Well, it's a lie. I mean, not that it's a lie, but it's a false sense of invincibility. Wix, I smell something. It's your upper lip, bro. It's the closest thing to your nostrils. It's your upper lip. I can't read that. You crazy, Days. Days of N25. I can't read that. You give me too much credit. Your upper lip smelling ganja? Well, stop eating ganja. That better not be some Reggie. No, you what? You said, oh, you about to get a timeout. Give me no credit. One gives me way too much credit. The other one gives me no credit. Reggie. Nah, this that Zona, dog. This that Zona. Say you be smoking that Reggie Bush. Yo, anybody bring some of that Reggie Bush over here? I'm gonna be pissed if you bring some Reggie Bush to the in-person. Tolerance is a noob. I couldn't tell because I don't know. Oh shit! What's the deal? Yo, look who's in the house.
Hey, Ron, where are you?
He's right here. What's the deal? Hey, Ron. Aaron back in the house. Back in the house. We are really moving here. How y'all been? We're here. We almost have 400 viewers though. Slacking chat. Let's see if we can drive the volume right now. Oh, Jay's in the Zoom. What up, Jay? I saw you earlier. Looks. Maybe I ask what card you have. SUV. And a pickup. See what happens here. I'm pretty sure we're gonna have to wait here for a 4-hour close. So. $4.17. Smoked this whole J before we ever got to 420. Dean, that's some shit you do and don't tell nobody. We booking Harry Seller for July. Straight cheese. I was with it. That's a real flex. That's the real flex right there. Came out to smoke. Your kids are in the room. Yeah, I don't know. I saw your girl. I didn't see your kids. I saw Shorty in the background. Who's Harris Heller? Just some local talent. I don't know where he's local to, but he's local to somewhere. A local boy, Harry. You know Harry? Mr. Heller's kid. I can't believe you don't know Harry. Sorry, where are you from? Right near the beach, boy! What book is the Candlestick Bible? Really? You're not really asking that. How long? Showing up every day? I don't know. It's a very individualized activity. It takes everybody like different amount of time. It's irrelevant. But I think how long? I could say 2 months and it takes you 2 years. And you'd be like, but he said 2 months. No, right? It just showing up every day for all the streams for maybe a few months, yeah, it would probably get you, you know, on a roll and like get you going and in the flow of things. But how long it takes to be profitable, it's really on you and how you're able to interpret the information you're given and how you're able to apply it. Kex, what's the deal? Long time no see. Did you hear about TD scam? Hope your funds are safe. I have. I'm pretty confident TD customers will get their money back. $250 likes and 250 likes and Wix cuts one of his braids. First of all, these are locks, you know, braids, dog. Second of all, you cut my locks, you better run, goddammit. Check CoffeeZilla. Yeah, I seen the video by CoffeeZilla like a day ago, 2 days ago. Like, yeah, before it dropped. Seen it. I don't know. I just like. I don't know if he really has access to all the inner workings, or if any of this really sticks in court. Irrelevant. I don't really care what they did. I'm just overall, I'm pretty confident. You know, whatever. Call it whatever you want to call it, but I'm pretty confident in people getting their money back. Well, that conversation killed the vibes. Let's rewind this bitch. Awkward. You guys ever show up to a party with somebody that be that person? Like, people be like, who brought him? And it's really like, not a knock on who brought him. It's like, this fucking guy sucks, but really, who brought him? And you're like, fuck, I brought him. I did. What? I did. Oh, you brought him. And that's how you know you never invited again. Wix, how do you draw the line and the box at the same time? I don't. I do it in an order. First I draw the box, then I draw the line. Can you please explain the importance of top wick for buys or bottom wick for sells? Range. A wick on a higher time frame is a small time frame range. So if you want to continue going up bullish, right, you want a top wick on a previous higher time frame candle. You know, telling you that there's range, and if there's range, you have range to fill. Gold's very technical. You bounce off a support, you'll fill a range to the resistance. Capiche? Understand? Very simple. It even makes sense logically. Crazy. Magic. Chat, did everybody get 27 this morning? When we played our math game, when we played the Wizard of Wix game. Wait. This music. Always that guy. Why can't we save the template merge together like the trend line plus the zone same time? I don't know. Speak to the developers. Close here, but no cigar. Wix, it's a long time, no change from your stream record. Yes, 2 days or 3 days. 2 days, 2 days. Yeah. No, what you talk about? Yeah, 2 days. Tuesday we had 2 trades, 2 break evens. They happened in the New York session. Well, we had 3 trades, but one of them was pre-stream. Yeah. It's not really about the stream record. It's about you getting value out of this, right? I'm not going to trade when there's pullbacks or market ranging. I'm going to trade when I trade. And so far, over the last few weeks, has been happening in the morning session. Sometimes in London. Way more often than in Asian, right? What's that mean? Like, you guys are still all here, so I'm not gonna stream? No, I'm gonna stream. We're gonna be here. I told you, I'm gonna be here every day, whether there's a move, whether there's no move, whether there's range, whether there's volume, whatever it is, I'm gonna be here. And we're gonna sit through it. Or we're gonna trade through it. Oh my God! What's the deal? What's the deal, Paul? Talk about how anyway you guys changed from 30 to minute, 1 hour to 5. We doing the same thing, just also zooming in on the 5 and still doing the same thing as on the 30 and the 1. What? I didn't hear you. Say it again. Still trading on TD? No. Cannot trade on TD right now. They are closed for trading. Can you explain what are you looking for in the higher time frames, please? Closures. Like right now, we're waiting on a 4-hour close. Hold on, let me finish this, Jay. All right. All right, everybody gather around. Gather around. Pull up. Pull up. In a circle. Don't push. Don't push. Cool. Right there. Good right there. All right, not that close. Now, if we are to drive down, which all indications right now are telling me is what we're going to do, then we need to grab liquidity to drive down. We need to have a range to drive down. Those two things mean we need this candle to close with a bottom wick to have a range, and we need liquidity, which means we need a top wick on the next candle. If this candle, not having a top wick, only got this far, right? Only got as far as 1976 here, then I'm going to look to grab liquidity somewhere higher than that, somewhere above that. So at this moment, I want something like this. Do you see these wicks to the left on the hourly? You look to the higher time frame, look at this. All these wicks. All these wicks. Right? All these wicks. So we want to come up here. And if we come up there, right? Let's draw that up. Right? If we come up there, on the smaller time frame, right? And then either get an onion, closing bearish here, to drive down and fill this range and continue further, right? So we'll either take a position at something like this. You see that? The onion there? So we're going to look to repeat that and take a position there. And if it doesn't form exactly how we need it to here, we'll wait till we break that low and we'll take a position there. And at that moment, you can see if we go to the 4 hour here, you see where the top, where this area would be? It would mean that on the 4 hour, we would have made a top wick, into these areas, right? And this is our 4 hour or our 1 hour candle. And basically all of this is just this on the 5 minute, and this flip here on the 1 hour, and the 4 hour is just this closure below the range on the 5. And we want to take the body of this candle and the body of this candle. This is what it is, same thing. But we need to grab liquidity at these areas. See? This on the 5 minute falls in line when you switch that to the 4 hour. We grab liquidity where the previous 4 hour hasn't grabbed liquidity, right here, right in this area. And if we grab liquidity here and continue driving down instead of continuing up, it's high probability it's going to continue driving once we get closures below this area on the 5. So even if we're getting a closure here right now, you guys see it's a 4 hour closure that's coming up here. We're going to need a bottom wick on this 4 hour, so we can't enter anything here because we're going to expect this to pull back. And then we're going to need a top wick, and that top wick is going to show up in the shape of the 5 minute coming back into range here. Let me clear this. Coming back into range here and bouncing off a resistance to continue driving down. Whatever low we establish right now, that's going to be our new support, and then anything below that we will trade. Whatever low is established now, and when we print the bullish candle, so if this next candle closes bullish here on the 5, that's going to be the new support. We'll move it down here, and then we'll wait for a top wick and a closure below that support. That's going to be our range 2 breakout. But if it comes up here, right, looks like a top wick, but never comes back down to break the lows and continues up, once we start forming closures above 1978.47 here, well, same thing, we'll look for a bottom wick and drive up. Depending how it forms here, it could even be off the rip above 1978.475. That's what I'm looking for in the higher time frame, just to coincide with the smaller time frame. Everything to fall in line. Whoever's been here the entire time since we've started our streams, I know it's sick of me saying this shit every single day, but you know, same shit, different toilet seat, just rinse and repeat. And it's good because when you get sick of what I'm saying, that means you remember it, it's stuck in your head, and you don't really need me to say it anymore. That's why I keep saying it, it's to get it ingrained in your head. 8 minutes here. 8 minutes left for the 4. What's this? The 23-minute time frame? What the fuck is the 23-minute time frame? I've never seen this shit forever. Is that even possible? 23? Why that heavy retracement? Because the current 4-hour doesn't have a top wick. And with that top wick, it was only able to get this far. No further, right? So I guess for us to, if it starts coming up, I guess for us to drive further, we need more liquidity than the current 4-hour grabbed. That's the logic, right? Behind it. I don't know how the fuck that went to the 20. I don't even know how that's a setting. How is this possible? How do I change this? Oh, and the 23. MJ! Put a fade away. Thank you for coming through, Richard. Richard. You American? You from America? Is your name really Richard? Australia, in Thailand. You know, in America, you would be Dick. Can you speak Arabic, man? No, man, I'm Jamaican. I cannot speak Arabic. Where you from, bro? Right near the beach, boy. Bro, why you out there? Come back home. Aussie. Mexican. It's a new race. Where in Australia is everyone from? Alright, fuck it. The 23-minute candle. Fuck. How the fuck is there a 23-minute time frame? What kind of dimension we in? I don't know. How does this even work? Who put this there? The aliens. Damn, that's a MJ candle, yo. How do we, bro? Yo, 20.
Stop it. Get some help.
How the fuck we get a 23-minute candle? Look, this shit closes in. This shit closes at 10:50. No, at 9:50. This shit closes at 9:27. What? Oh, it opened at 8:50. That's right, it opened at 8:50. Fuck these candles, man. Going back to the 5. Trade that 23-minute time frame for the rest of the year. You unlock gold stats. That's crazy. I don't know how to change this even. Where's their like custom? Right? You can't. There's just 23-minute time frame added in there. Oh, right there. You can. Right there. Minutes. Add. On the bottom. Yo. We trade the 69-minute time frame? What? You ever trade the 69? Closing below here in 36.40. How low can we go? Can we go into seconds? Minutes? No, no seconds. Fuck. I'd bring this down to like 5 seconds. Not many people understand the anatomy of a candle as you and Don do. That's just experience. Now 23 is gone? No, we bring it back. Word, where are you at, 23? I like 23 better. Boom. We ain't playing. Closing below in every time frame, huh? So we had a bullish candle close. Remember how we discussed that? So technically this would be the new support. Now, oh wait. Now we can bring this down here. You feel me? Let's see. What do we? Okay. Okay. Yeah. Closure below here. After, oh, the 4-hour close there, so perfect. Right, the 4-hour closed with a bottom wick here. Not massive, but there's a bottom wick. We just need a really, really steep wick. If not, we're gonna continue up. If we can get a steep wick and then close back below 75.66, we're gonna have some sells. Range 2 breakout here. $77, no, more like 78 areas, 77.8, 78 areas. Yeah, I saw the video. Can you consider to have 1977 to be the separation between range 1 and range 2? That's not how I look at it. It's too small of a range. You gotta kind of go top down, not down up analysis. You consider that there's no top hook on the daily? Yeah, we're bullish on the daily. We're looking to fill the wick up on the daily, but we also closed at a resistance. So we were aware of that, and we realized that we may just range here. And the only way for us to take sells are the range 2 breakouts, which would be below here. So that this fits the formula, right? Not gonna not take it because it feels weird, right? You could, no, it fits the formula. Fits all the parameters. All the parameters are met. We will take it. We need to grab liquidity right now and a closure below the new support for a range 2 breakout. In this case, yes. Wow, that range bottom was spot on. Yes. Did you see documentary? Yes. If we bullish on the daily, why no top range 2 needed? Or is that what we just formed? No, what do you mean? If we're bullish on the daily, we don't need a range 2 breakout for buys. We just need a range 2 breakout for sells because we're bullish. We need range 2 breakout only to be against the bias. The bias is bullish. The bullish is bias. And come up above 78.47 and we'll look for we're coming down here. Hold on, some nice flip happening here. Hannanen chat. Let's see if this waits for us. Not bad on Yeah, like look at this. What the hourly made? Okay. 7704. Okay. If this candle waits for us here in 3 minutes, we'll have positions off the rip. We'll see. Let's see if it stays down. Because is this the daily bottom wick, right? We don't know. But if we close below there, we'll fill the next range. Our advantage point here is the next range here. Like 20 pip advantage point. T13, I'm watching your stream. Shout out to you, Jew Maya. One minute. Let's see. Nothing. Chad, I'm gonna be in off the rip, off the sell of this candle. I'm taking a sell off the close of this candle. I just took a sell. Right. Here's we. Oh wait, wrong thing. There we go. I'm gonna go break even pretty quickly here. Maybe around our advantage point here is around 11 pips, 12 pips. No, it's a little more. Around. Yeah, around 14 pips here. And the idea here is the closure below the most recent hourly, then the top wick, the flip, the closure below on the 5 here, having formed a 5-minute range, having a top wick on the higher time frame. We should just see the 15, the 30, the 1 hour, everything has a top wick, so we should just drive down here to the next range. Our stops aren't too bad here either. We could hold them at 36. I have them at 45 here. There's a level there, but we'll probably end up moving them or manage it. We'll see. Daily no top wick, I know, but we also have a range 2 breakout here. So based on that, and based on our rules for range 2 breakouts, I'm fine with it here. And if it comes back, and if it is the bottom wick for the daily, then we don't have massive risk on the table, right? Are you in? Yeah, I'm in the position. And for us to manage risk here, we would have to have this hourly closing bullish. If this hourly starts to close bullish, then I'll manage risk. And then if that happens, we'll most likely end up coming up here. And this would be the bottom of the daily wick. And if that happens, then I'll look for positions above 78 or above 80. $4 doesn't seem like it will go down. I know. Previous 4-hour close bearish, and we broke the previous 4-hour low, right? After making a top wick. The hourly closed below the hourly range. The 30 made a top wick after the 30 closed below the 30 range. The 15 made a top wick, broke the previous 15 high, right? Grabbed liquidity and then broke the low to drive down. The 5 closed below here. So every time frame closed below and in our direction, right? So I'm gonna take the same position over and over based on our confluences. But if I were to please check the 23, it's also in our favor. I promise you. See, it's bearish and it closed below the range on the 23. 23 looks goated here. Great. In doubt, check the 23 out. $23 might be the wave. I have no idea where it came from, honestly. I don't know how it showed up over there. Hey Wix, this could be the daily bottom. Yeah, we just discussed that, right? But we also have a range 2 breakout here, so the only way we can trade against our daily bias is with a range 2 breakout, and that's what we had here. So that's why I'm trading against the daily bias. That's why I'm not really looking for massive runners as well. probably look to close full once we reach our advantage points. It could, like, we don't know where the daily's got to bottom out, right? But we do know that gold's very technical. We do know it fills ranges. We have a rule that where we can trade against the daily bias. We're trading the daily against the daily bias here to fill the range with every time frame in our direction. Is it guaranteed? No, but if I were you, like I said, put your trust in the higher time frames, right? That's it. Do I get the 23-minute time frame? You guys. No. That's proprietary. The 23-minute time frame will be on sale once Don's website drops. Yo, what's going on here? Did we hit a level? What level did we hit here? It's minor. Really not be an issue. Like, look at this clean traffic here to the left. Green's gonna say something. I know. Oh, fuck. He did say something, didn't he? This clean traffic to the left here. I would figure that by the end of this hour, we'd be filling this candle to the left. We'll see. Maybe we'll pull back steeper. Oh, cool. Yeah, Chad, drop a like. Sub to the channel. We in a trade. We have volume. I'm late. Are we in? Yes, we are in. What's the most viewers you've gotten on the stream? I think around like 12 or 1500 for when I covered Don's New York session, or when I just covered New York session. Did he sell? Yes. You already sold now? Yes. For Asian session, the peak viewers we had for Asian was 885. That was peak viewers for Asian, 885. What's the score with the Heat game? What's the score? The Heat Nuggets. Weird volume. Yeah, it's weird. I agree. It's weird that we have volume finally. Asian session. Didn't break the lows. Did it break that 5 low? No, I don't think it did. It tried, right? No, it never broke that low. Needs to break that 5 low, that 5 wick. Or re-break its own low, basically. Once that happens, then we go. Until then, we wait. Solo Travis with $2. Appreciate you. Somebody else donated earlier, I think, but I didn't see who it was, so if I forgot to shout you out, my bad. Price you gonna break even around 13, 14 pips in profit. Love the petty donos. And in the case of a losing situation, we're gonna look to close once the higher time frames start closing bullish, like the hourlies and such. You trade at strange times. The market was hot 9 hours ago. Yes. Very strange time to trade the Asian session. 8 p.m. I'm a strange being. Too weird to live, too rare to die. Where did you get in? My entries on screen. My stops are on screen. I don't think this can be anymore. Like, the numbers are on screen. Shit, Asian session during Asian session? You're crazy. What? Maniac. Here, nut job. What's a tip? I don't know what's a tip. It's a tip with no I. Hit does a like. Yes, I agree. Hit the like button, drop a like, sub to the channel if you're new here, turn on notifications. It'll let you know when we're on or when I'm on. And this way, when the stream starts, you don't have to be late. You can be here for the breakdown, the meet and greet, the trolling, the dancing, the twerking, and the trading. Imagine you could have all that if you just showed up on time. Who's twerking? You in a trade? Yes, this indicates we're in a trade. We said when we're gonna enter a trade. We called it out while entering, and then we entered. And since then, we've ranged for 15 minutes. What was my actual entry on the broker? 75.2. move it to where I have it on the broker. 75.2 right there. That's where I have it. Needed to re-break its own low. The 30 closes here, the 15 closes in 2 minutes, the 30 closes in 2 minutes, which means we can get a top wick here into 1976, 77 areas, and then start flipping down on the next 30. If this doesn't break its own low. Obviously, we want it to drive, but you have to understand and be okay with the fact that it should pull back to drive more. Can we break the low? Number 3. Hey, yo, fucking break, yo. Hey, fucking drug. Alright, we got the 30 close here. So I don't know if the 30 is going to have a top wick. Might just come straight down. The hourly has a really nice top wick. But it's alright if it does. Excuse me, chat. Didn't mean to make all 777 of you yawn. 777 watching the stream. That's a W himself. Better than 666. We had a W when it was 666. The spread's too much? No, that's 2 pip spread. Why is that too much? That's normal, Jax. It's pretty decent spread. I have 1.6, 1.9, 2.2. Like, yeah, it's jumping. Jumping. 23 pip at 2.3, 3 pips. Yeah, anything below 3 on gold right now is it's pretty good spread. It's fine. Above 3, you don't really want to. I try to not to enter positions when spread is like 3 or more. 3, 4. We're scalping here, right? Makes a difference. Could make a difference. A hard time breaking down here. Did we re-break the lows here? I think so. Yeah, we re-broke the lows here, coming down. Yeah, I got 8 so far. A few more. So 8. Our advantage point is roughly here. There's a 5-minute level that I just tapped right here. Let's see. I mean, yeah, you guys can, like, some of you might have 10 already. Here we go. I got 9. I mean, some of you guys can close. You can manage risk. You can go break even. You can. I still haven't moved anything. I haven't moved my stops. Should fill the bottom of the range here by the end of the hour. It's gotta be patient. Gotta be patient. Looking for positions, gotta be patient in your positions. You also have to be proactive once you have candle sprinting. So overall TP, I was looking for 67 areas, but we get to 71, 72, I'm closing full. Probably, most likely. I haven't had a chance to manage risk here because we haven't. I don't know if this is the top wick for the 30 yet or no. But the way the hourly's been printing here, it's look at the range to the left. Look at the candles to the left. There's nothing telling me here that it shouldn't fill the range down. It's all clean. If we drove clean like this up, we should, you know, we should mirror this traffic to the left in the hourlies. Could reject from here. I don't know. This could be the daily bottom wick, but I'd have to see a higher time frame closure against me, or I'll start breaking higher time frame candles or start closing back in range, right? If that happens, then fine. I'll start managing position. Until then, I gotta be logical. Nice, broke the previous 15. Got a steeper 30 top wick. If we could just come back down. Seen a trade? Yes, we've been in a trade. From 10 pips up to 10 pips down in seconds. Yeah. And there's more to life than just 10 pips. Let's go for you. Told y'all go weird. Could be. Could be weird. It's just gold. Yeah, I'm still in. Question is, are you still in? Stream past 10? Oh, we'll see. We'll stream this trade through. Yeah, I think we'll stream a little bit past 10. All in, aim poker. What was your entry? 1975.2. Looking at stops that make sense. Realistically, these are our best stops because it can still come up to here and still reject and come down, and then we'd have pineapples. I'll probably switch it from here once we continue heading, once we start flipping, heading back down. So if we get closures now, below 1975.45, we'll probably have some pineapples. We'll enter more positions for sells. We'll see how it plays out here. So if I see something like this forming on the next 5, I'll think about adding positions at this area. Continue heading back down. We need to close bearish back below range. Group to pineapple emoji. Oh yeah, I need like 4 more members, and then I can add more emojis. So it's the amount of emojis that I can add to the stream to be used for members is limited, and it's based on the amount of members that I have. And I just need like 3 or 4 more members to be able to add like 5 more emojis or 2 more emojis. I don't know. Crazy. So for us to manage risk here, we would have to close bullish on the hourly above. Oh, let's see. Above, yeah, above 1978.47. If we close bullish on the hourly above there, then we'll manage risk. Back in the range. Happens back in the range. Yeah, I think for now, like, so the most optimal stops are above the range overall, right? Above the 5-minute range. I don't know if I want to hold it to 82 pips here, right? I think we could have 59. Oh, calm down. I mean, I can't act just based on it driving, right? I gotta act based on it closing here. That hourly did rip up though. 2 pips away from TP? Yeah, I was about 3. Alright. Everyone's trying to predict, everyone's trying to say, oh, it's gonna drop, it's gonna fly, it does. It's a trade. And then there's gonna be the next one, and the next one. We keep doing the same thing over and over. So till the wheels fall off, right? Because it works. The daily, on the other hand, the daily flipped, yeah. Looks in that stoic mode. No, I'm just like I know what to expect when entering position. Like all of this is accounted for. There's a reason the stop loss is where it's at. There's a reason we trade the lot size we do. You know, it's not about one trade, right? It's about thousands of outcomes. You're gonna be here for a long time, chat. You're gonna be in the industry for a long time. Otherwise, you ain't a trader. Nice if this hourly closes with no top wick, huh? Or doji. I'll stop till I put a diamond watch on my mother and father. Yeah, sure. If that's priority. Wow. Denver's giving the Heat buckets right now, huh? Up 15. Yeah, this series is not gonna be even close. All your analysis was on point. Lose about the game. Next trade we'll get it back. That's if we lose on this trade. Yeah, the analysis was fine. The analysis also accounts for 20% of the time having losses. Alright. Part of the game. Oh shit. It's that time again. Here you go, chat. By the way, chat, we're getting close to the hourly closure here. Before I forget. And it's looking like this hourly is going to close really, really, really bullish. Really, really bullish. And we probably might want to look to manage risk once this hourly does close bullish. So just don't just go all out and dance and just forget about your trading. Managing risk is part of the game as well, so you know. Let's see how we close here on the hour. Interesting, because if this was to flip bearish now, because the 4 hour didn't have a top wick, right? Now the 4 hour does have a top wick. If this was to flip bearish, it would be a really strong confirmation to continue to drive down after grabbing the liquidity here. Thought you hit 10 pips? No, I had about 9. It's all good. I wasn't going to close it at 10 pips. Honestly, yeah, I was going to wait till like 13, 14 pips because that's where we had range to, and then go break even at that point. Total pips up on stream. We just respected resistance here, right? Chat. This is interesting. If this 5 flips bear here. Looking at adding pineapples, but I want to see if I want to break of this 5 low here as an onion to continue heading down on the 5, because we made a high for the 4 hour. It's very likely that this was the top for the 4 hour and we come down and flip here. I'm just wondering where the pineapples would be. It's the hourly close with no top wick. If the hourly closes with no top wick, then I might leave the position open. Looks that voice, man, such dulcet tones. What's dulcet? Dulce. Dolce. Dolce. Wicks can stand still at times. I think I got it on pause. Yeah? It's a high quality position. Our stops should be above the 4. Wow. What a top wick. Look at this rejection, Chad. I'm going to take a sell right here. I'm going to add another position here. We're going to keep the same stops here. Oh wait, why is it moving? Come on. Very interesting. If we the 4-hour looks really lovely here. So we grabbed liquidity, broke the previous 4-hour high. Now if we flip, we're going to continue to drive. If we reach, or once we reach the levels of our first position, I would probably close that out at break even. We'll see. We'll see how we start reacting at 7.5.68. It might happen that we might close one position in drawdown and the second one in profit. We'll see how it works here. I want to see how we react at these areas if we even start coming down. It's a nice flip. Look at that rejection on the previous 5. Look where the 4-hour rejected as well at this top. I had a hard time breaking low. So here's what's happening, chat. You had a range 1 here. Range 1, range 2. You had a range 2 breakout below here. And then you came back up and you had an onion at a range, basically at a range 3 resistance. And the idea is to continue back down here. But we want to manage the overall risk of these positions combined. right? Got to be the prettiest 4-hour candle ever if it flips bearish with the liquidity it grabbed here. It's not pretty because it's bullish, but it's pretty based on the previous 4-hour not having a top wick. So there's a really high chance of this being the top wick on the 4-hour for us to continue to drive down to 71. Give me a second, chat. My kids are calling me. Both positions go south. Well, the stops on the second position are tiny, and on the first position, I'm risking 2%. Right? 2%, yeah. You in a sell? Yes, I'm in a sell. If I lose the first position, it'll be 61 pips and 2% of my account. And the second position will be 39 pips and barely over percent. So if I lose this trade to full stops, I'll lose a little under 3.5%. This was a really nice flip. The stops here are right above this area, above these wicks. Because if it breaks that, it's going to fill the range up. If they manage risk with downwicks and ultra, well, you shouldn't be over risking. Period. You shouldn't be sell, by the way, like just multiple clicking buy and sell buttons. You should have predetermined stops. You should know when to close. You should know when to open. You should know when to manage. It's not always ideal, but you play your probabilities, and over a long period of time, you'll be profitable. Profitable. Previous 15 broke the previous 30, broke the previous 1. Will this be loss number 6? I'll count it. If it's loss number 6, we'll count it as 2 losses because it's 2 positions here. So we'll add those. Oh, this looks like it's gonna hit stops. Oh no, chat. Oh. What's your plan on managing risk here? Closure. Closure above 7.8. I said closure above 7.8475 on the hourly, on the 30. We'll see how it might just drive up before then. If it does that, we'll be out. Well, haters get content today. Yes. It's too soon to say that, Green. Come on, man.
It's because I'm green, isn't it?
Appreciate your show, no? It's alright, yeah. I mean, I'll get some hate mail tonight. Tonight is hate mail night. Uh-oh. Previous 5? No, it's not quick. We still driving. You have an overall pip profit for stream? It's around, yes, we have a journal. It's around 260, I think, 270 or 280, something like that. Chances of the first position to be is quite low. Should we manage risk if it comes down a bit? I mean, I'll tell you when I manage risk. Here's what the market does. Market tends to break highs and lows to grab liquidity, right? So do we just re-break the highs to grab liquidity to continue down? Right now I can't manage risk. I'm not managing risk based on entry of first or second position. I'm managing risk based on market closures. I'm based on the candles, not based on where I opened them. So we're staying until New York session to be. I had buys marked. Yeah, we haven't closed above there. There's buys if we close above there on the 4. See, key is how we close here. Didn't you move your stops higher? My stops are at 1981.3. Moved them a while back, way before we got them. Another pineapple here? No, I don't have another pineapple here. We're above the buys above level. I can't add positions above a level where I have buys above. Just doesn't make sense here yet. It's got to come down. Sir, the agent session is no easy to trade. No, when the bullish candle closed above the buy exposure area, wouldn't it be better to close the trade there since you were initially going to buy there anyways? No, because I wasn't looking for a 5-minute closure there or 15. I'm looking for a higher time frame closure there and then a pullback and then a drive. So I'm still expecting a pullback here back into the range. Right, because even if you are to drive up, depending on how we close here, the market should pull back, right? I'm expecting a pullback or a flip, so we'll see. If it just drives through here, then it drives through, and it's all right. We lost 3%. It set us back a day in our fucking 20-30 year journey of trading. You know what I mean? We don't know how the 4 hour is going to close yet. Our 4 hour closes in 3 hours here. We're only 1 hour into the new 4 hour. It fucking drove up. Did it just drive up to create a top wick for the 4 hour to continue down? Or is it giving us a sense of direction where it's going to continue for the rest of the evening? We don't know. You don't know. You don't know. How long you been trading? 4.5 years, almost 5 years. About 5 years. In August it's gonna be 5 years. How many positions you in? 2. Dos. It's ugly. What's the risk per position? 2% risk on the first one and 1% risk on the second one. A little more, like 1.2, 1.5. Are you in? Yes. What's the 23-minute looking like? That's a good point. Let's check that out. 23 looking like the 15 and the 5. And 23 looking like every other. For some reason, 23 is goated. Just like every other time frame. Yeah, I saw CoffeeZill's video. 23 minutes seller play. 23 was the vibe tonight? Yeah, it was. Did you study fundamentals or internal market analysis? No. And yes and no. Did I go to school for fundamentals? No. On my own, I've studied, but that's like, you know, that's like you saying you a doctor because you watch some YouTube videos. You know what I mean? I just have, I always say, knowledge that's guided by experience. You play card for? I play nothing. I don't play any video games. TP? Right there. To fill this candle. Around 67. Yawning is here to release stress. I don't know, I'm just yawning is just a reflection of how much energy I have. Or how exciting this drawdown is. I think that's the better. How exciting shit right here. Thank you for your guidance. Yes. Catch you tomorrow. Sure. You're out. See you tomorrow. See ya later. Big up to all my haters. make the trade win. Winning a trade releases stress. Yes. What's your biggest L trade? I don't know. I've had a lot of losses over 5 years. Drawdown literally won't affect your mental at all if you don't over leverage. Yeah, shouldn't. I mean, it can affect your ego being like, fuck, I'm not supposed to lose. But if you're not over leveraging, it's like, really, will it make a huge impact in your life? What strain you smoking? I've been getting just nothing but sours lately, but I'm not smoking nothing right now. I smoked earlier. Smoking a pancake. A bong and a blintz. Some months are 20%, some months are 2%. It varies. Some months are 50%. It really varies depending on the month. Smoking a shower diesel. Yes. Yes, sir. I definitely yawned on that one. I got you. If I didn't get you, I got you right now. Boom. Definitely got you on that yawn. Don't at me. I know I did. Got me on that yawn. The 30 respected, huh? Turning into another one of those long streams, huh? WTF. Previous 15. Big Drop liquidity to drive down. This trade is like coffee. How much the signals average per month? I don't know. That's a question for Don. I think he's got the journal for the signals. Signals been killing it all year. All year. I think they've outdone the stream. Pretty sure they've outdone the stream by like 1,000 pips. Ever heard a word from Test? Do you think he used to come on Don's stream all the time? I think he's got other things to take care of, right? Like 50,000 people on his ass about withdrawals. So I think they got a Telegram, right? So should be able to. I think he communicates through the Telegram. A 10-point game. I'm sorry that guy stole your money. Yeah, thank you. Thanks for your condolences, Alex. Appreciate it. Ted didn't just go ghost. No, he's on Telegram. He's on. I seen him post something today on IG. No what? No mom is? What does that mean? Cha. Chad, are you guys keeping track of how many people asked about the CoffeeZilla video today? CoffeeZilla. You guys making a killing, huh? About like millions of subs. Oh, the 30, previous 30 didn't close above. This 30's, well, hasn't closed yet, but let's see. Hourly closure will be key here. Will you close if this one out closes the way it is? Yes. Most likely, yes. I want to stay below 78.47 to get some confirmation that this is just a top wick on the 4. Real one's gonna hold to New York. You think TD was B booking their clients, or they have real LP? No, they have real LPs. I know Green. Or Green might not even be here. Oh, he's right there. Yeah, the Donvo investigation by CoffeeZilla. There's a good one. That's a good one. $104.93. Yeah, the Heat gonna lose game 1 here. Happens. Even the Heat lose. Yeah, volume's not much. Didn't drive anywhere. We've pretty much ranged. Didn't really drive. 4-0 Denver? Yeah, it's a possibility. Look at the 4-hour wicks. Yes. What about it? Yes, the dailies also fell in the daily wick, but the idea was that the 4-hour, especially once we started holding resistance at 78.475, the idea was that the 4-hour is going to flip bearish after breaking the previous 4-hour high and grabbing liquidity where it hasn't done so yet. But not looking so now. Will you revenge trade off stream? No. I'm just gonna take another position in the morning. Move on. We'll be fine. Take a buy in this range now? No, I'm gonna wait for any buys. I would need a pullback on the next. A lot depends on how this 4-hour closes. So I'll probably wait for 1 a.m. and then start looking for positions. No more now. We've been here for a long time. I just, like, typically, I wouldn't be here, right? I want to get off. It's almost 11. But I said we'll watch this trade through, so we're watching it through. You're gonna sell? Yes, I'm gonna sell. Think it'll test 1987 area? It could. It very well might. play the how about no sound. How about no? If you trade, they will come. Ooh. Oh no, 5 close, no top look. So percentage wise, this wouldn't be the worst loss, but 60 something pips, 60, yeah, 60 pips. We've had worse. We had 64 this year, I think 66, something like that. GJ Khaled. Gonna keep rising, yeah, let it keep rising. There's a stop there for a reason. Breaks that, we're good. Once it closes here in 7 minutes, that's it, we're good. That's the end of the stream. We're fine at that point. You don't have to complain. Somebody bet they rent money. Let me tell you something. Somebody always bets rent money on one of the trades. One or another position, someone always bets rent money. Borrowed money, rent money. I mean, alright, 3% setback. I've had 5% setbacks. Of the game. Brutal? Yeah, I mean. Just losing the trade. Exact stop loss 81.33. Haters are here. It was explained in the breakdown. It's alright. They show up for one time, then we go on a winning streak, and then they don't have a month. You know, they get a month off. The haters really have the easiest job because they get a lot of time off on these streams. All right. Forever, Unisell, yes. Oh, yeah, bottom wick here for the previous 5. We might drive up here for the hourly close. Man, that's wild. Why is it wild? Look, we have a rule. We have rules that we follow here, right? Nothing's impulsive. Nothing's managed impulsive. I'm not gonna manage it because you say so. I'm not gonna take a position because you say so. We have rules. We trade based off of those rules, and we win a high percentage of the time. Do you not lose? Do you not lose? No, I'm going to cut my losses at a logical level. I'm not going to cut my losses because you said so or because it just feels right to cut my losses. No, we're going to do it logically. We're going to do it either it hits stops or we're going to close above or on the higher time frame. Then we're going to do it logically. The W for me is to tune you out. And, you know, what I do. I'm like, you know, there's a difference here. Like, you don't have the confidence knowing that what I do wins. I do. So over thousands of trades, you know, I'm good. Another thing that there's a bunch of people that show up and follow me, yeah, and we take losses from time to time, but it's also you got to have an understanding of risk management, right? So a 3% loss won't destroy my account, right? It won't make me rich either. You're winning 3%. Hi, beautiful. How are you? Trade on stream, been nervous as fuck. I mean, look, there were 700, damn near 800 people watching me take a L here today. I mean, it's not gonna affect my life in any meaningful way. A win, loss, or whatever, you know, whatever's said here. Like, I come here to provide value in terms of what I know and what I've seen. And 28 of those times we had a win. You know, this is going to be loss number 6. Like, are you really... Like, what are you saying? But it does look like we're going to manage risk here. take 6 L's out of 43 trades any day? Yeah, I mean. All right, gang. Oh, close with no top wick. Close with no top wick. How did we close? Oh, it's got a top wick. It's got a small one, a minute one. But it's whoops, what the fuck did I just smoke? I don't know what I just smoked. Got a minute wick and a resistance. We're at a resistance. How many pips away are we from stops? Yeah, I didn't close here. We're 7 pips away. I'm leaving it open. At 7 pips away, I'm leaving it open. Thing has a nipple, yeah. So like, we'll see. If it breaks the highs here and drives up, great. But at 7 pips, even Green says call it. Yeah, we can call it a stream. But I mean, you guys see the stops. I didn't close it. Look where we're at. We're 6 pips away from stops. So it hits stops. It hits stops. It doesn't. For now, I'm letting it ride. I gotta see some more candles here. The nipple play. I know what needs to happen. It needs me to. I gotta log off here for this shit to come down. Peace. Later, Justice Watch. No problem. We're gonna be back on Monday. Next chance is Monday. Oh, tomorrow. Tomorrow's a big day. Lots of news. Tomorrow, be there on Don's stream, 6:30 a.m. Eastern. No, I'm just gonna let you guys watch me take a L. I'll let you guys watch this one. Onion on that nipple. Oh, you out, Green? Time for the fourth quarter comeback. No, the Heat already lost. We're about to go the direction of the Heat here very soon. Biggest loss I've seen you take so far on stream. Sorry, nothing about you. No, it's not the biggest loss I've taken on stream. We had in February, I had a 66 or 65 pip loss. If this loses, this hit stops, this is going to be a 61 pip loss. Biggest I've seen on the fresh meat of the block, yeah. Oh, let's see. Let's see. Will we hit stops here now? Stops almost. What's the name of the playlist? It's Harris Heller. This fucking thing doesn't hit stops. I'm I'm 1 pip on the dot away from stops. Fucking hit it already. Yeah, I want to get off the damn stream. I was exactly 1 pip from stops here. This shit doesn't hit. It comes all the way down right now. It'll be tight. I got no time for that. Such a great sport. Yeah. Lost number 6 on the year. Alright, at least it wasn't our peak viewers for the loss. Well, again, 1 pip. It hasn't broken 20. My stop's 81.30. It was at 81.20 a couple of times. I mean, it'll hit. I just want to get it over with. Let's get it. We waited this long, chat. Let's get it over with on stream. Hit me. All right, boom. Stops hit, chat. Stops hit. That's our stream. It happens. Right? Lost number 6 on the year. All right. Profited on the buy. Hey, W. Just perspective. The key is to have a short memory, and as soon as you're doing your next breakdown, next setup, the whole point will be not to bring any of the emotions from this trade into your next trade, but whatever value, patience, whatever you gained here, bring that into the trade, and have a short memory. Don't try to make back what you lost. It's part of the game. Your rent to the market has just been paid, right? Time for another streak. Outside of that, yo, I appreciate all of you. Chat, thank you for riding with me. Mods, thank you for riding with me through loss number 6 on the year. Lost? I don't know what you mean. I hear that. We'll be back Monday, private session. Sunday's unfiltered, 8 p.m. And tomorrow morning, Don Vo's streaming. Be there at 7 a.m. No later. 6:30 ideally, but if you want to see the intro, yeah, be there like between 6:30 and 7. There you go. Agreeing with the link. All right. Appreciate everybody for showing up tonight. Thank you very much. Love and wisdom to you all. All right. We got to end it on our song, though, all right? We always do. So here you go, guys. Here's your track. And just like that, another session is in the books. Have a good night, everybody. Oh, wait. Let me turn up the music. Now, have a good night, everybody.